Hey, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech Sage Mind. In this thought-provoking video, we delve into the question of whether technology will eventually replace humans and if we will be able to control our connection to it. Join us as we explore the potential future of our relationship with technology and discuss how we can maintain a balance between innovation and humanity. Are we heading towards a world where machines rule, or can we find a way to coexist harmoniously? Watch now to find out more.
Technology has undoubtedly transformed our world in ways we never thought possible. From smartphones to artificial intelligence, we are more connected than ever before. But as our reliance on technology grows, so does the question, will technology replace humans? Some fear that the rise of automation and AI will lead to mass unemployment as machines take over human jobs. However, others believe that technology will simply create new opportunities for us to explore. So, can we control our connection to technology and ensure that it benefits us rather than replaces us? The key lies in how we choose to use technology. By setting boundaries and being mindful of our usage, we can maintain control over our relationship with technology. After all, it is meant to serve us, not the other way around. Ultimately, the power is in our hands to determine how technology shapes our future. By embracing its potential while also being cautious of its pitfalls, we can ensure that we remain in control of our connection to it. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on technology and society.